Guys, may shirt naman ako. Pero what the fuck? What's my hair?
Coming now, follow my lead. Coming now, follow my lead. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet. Although my heart is falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room.
Sino sasama sa akin, guys? Papatuloy. Alam niyo ba, nung bata ako, happy face, shout out. Look nyo, nung bata ako, sinasali na ako ng mom ko sa mga pageant. Tingnan nyo. Kanya yung naka-open dito sa ano. Wait lang, look nyo. Nung bata pa ako, guys, nasali na ako ng pageant, akala nyo. Nung kid ako, nung when I was in, oy, tingnan nyo, lagi akong panalo, gagi kayo. Boosh, may crown yarn. Ano to, when I was in grade 5. Boosh. Panis. Tapos, hindi, bata pa ako nun. Grade 5 ako nun, guys. Mukhang syengeng. Panis. Tapos sasabihan niyo ako ng bading. Uy, grade 5 pa lang nalaban na ako. Ayo ah.
Falling too. I'm in love with your body. Last night you were in my room.
Can you message me so I can reply to you? Asan? Asan dito? Asan dito, Mickey? Where? Dito ba? Sa Bigo? Sa Bigo ba?
I'm in love with your body. Every day starting something new.
No, saan? Dito?
Come on, be my baby.
Ano ang name mo ulit?
Come on, be my
Limot ko na name mo. Dito. Sa Blue App.
Come on, be my baby. 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 Come on. I'm in love with the shape of you. Push and pull like a magnet.
Gucci yan.
I'm in love with your body.
Last night you were in my room.
I know my bed sheets smell like you. Every day is covered in something.
Kaya nga nakalimutan ko rin sa'yo. LAI. LAI. Gets mo na yan. Nakikita mo na ako.
Come on, be my baby. Come on, be my love with your body. Every day is covered in something brand new. I'm in love with the shape of you.
Tinan mo, ikaw ang walang ano sa kalimkit ako.
But I can taste you on the tip of my tongue. Alone without no warning. You're by my side and we've got smoke in our lungs. Last night you were kissing me
Yes.
cap. And then you say, love, baby, let's go back to my flat. And when we wake up,
Hindi ko pansin.
like that, I gotta reach.
Okay. Okay, gets. Tingin.
Caught up in this place tonight. Don't wanna sing that songs
Ang ganda ko naman dyan. Ay, totoo. Hi, Jing. Sige, thanks.